Here to show a review of about Maono Au-A04. It's a condenser microphone kit. I have purchased it on 20th October 2020 in the Great Indian Sale. It is a great surprise for me. Surprises. The price has gone down to 2,365, which is around 2,300. It's a great surprise for me. And yesterday I have received the parcel which is shipped from Uttar Pradesh. But in a normal days, the prices of this mic is around 2,000, around 6,000. It's a microphone kit, and it consists of boom arm, microphone, pop filters, and USB connectors, etc. So now let's unbox it and see its quality and how it's shipped. And but the package is a bit damaging, which is considerably okay for me. You can also see its features from the Maono website. I type a Maono Au-A04 condenser microphone kit. The Maono website will pop up, and you can see the features also. There the price is around 5,500, I think so. While I'm taking this video, I have converted this dollars to rupees, and this is the package in which I have received from Amazon. Now let's have opened it and let's see how this looks like. This is a damaging one that is happened during the shipping. It's okay, it's minimum only. You can see this, it's okay. For me it's okay. So now let's unbox it and see what's inside the package. So it's a user manual. Oh no. It's okay, it's nice. And this is a pop filters, I think so. I don't know what is this. Oh, this is only a pop filter. It's okay, it's strong, and it's made up of metal, and the M that is written in this pop filter is nice, and I loved it. So when I blow the air in this mesh, the opposite, I didn't receive the air in the opposite side. So it's nice pop filter. So in the first layer I have received the pop filter, and this thing, this I don't know what is this, and a manual I have received. Now let us go to second layer. So this is the second layer. There is a two layers. So this is a shock mount. It's nice. The metal finishings are very nice. It's okay. I have already viewed many videos about this microphone, and then only I have bought this. So this is a USB P2A cable, which is of about 2.5 meters. I will screen this microphone features in the end of the video, or anywhere in the middle. Okay. So see, it's a boom stand. Yes, this is also a nice one, and the metal finishings are very nice, and it's a good quality. But one thing is the damaging portion is that I think so this will get damaged while we mounting the table. So let's see it while we mounting the table. Let's keep it aside. Now next is some table mount. So this is used to hold the microphone in the table. Oh, this is also nice. Only the finishings are very nice and smooth. Metal finishings are given. Yes, the stand. I think so. The stand will go here like this. I said that this is a very defective part because when we insert it and tight the screw, it will damage the paintings in this region. But it's okay. And this is, I think so. This is the tape. The last one is silica gel. It's used to absorb the moisture. The last thing is the microphone. It's also nice and finishings are very nice. So we need to plug the pin inside this. For this, we don't need any software or we don't need to install any software or drivers. It's a plug and play microphone. Okay, let us keep it this aside. Let's see what is behind this. Nothing is there. Okay. So now let's see how to mount it in a table, and we can assemble this microphone and test. We can do audio test of this. I'm recording this in the Android phone with okay, now we can assemble this and see how this is working. Boom arm. Okay. Now take this. Okay, now take this and screw it tightly. This thread. Make sure this sharp mount is tightened lightly. It's okay. You can adjust this angle by adjusting this. Like this. So now we can insert this microphone into this sharp mount. Make sure that you're pulling this these two pins. You can see this area inside this is increasing. So now place this microphone in the right direction, the direction you want. Okay. Now we need to fix this in the table, and we need to insert this like this. So I will show you this. Make sure you have installed this table mount in a right position, as this may cause problem to you. It should be in the flat surface. And now we need to loosen this. After you have installed, gently tighten and make sure that you have placed this in a convenient way so that you can speak in a comfortable manner. You can also adjust this to move up and down, and you can also adjust this to move the stand like this. And this is a stock mount. You can adjust this by using this. You can loosen and tighten in a right position so that it is in a right position. Okay, now I'm going to lock this in this direction, and I'm going to insert the microphone. Yes, now I have inserted the microphone in the shock mount. This way the whole boom arm and microphone set looks like. And now you need to mount this pop filter like this. As this, you can see that I have gently tightened and kept this pop filter in front of the mic. Okay, now we have connected our microphone to the computer through USB port. It's just a plug and play microphone. We don't need any other micro softwares or drivers to use this microphone. Just use a control panel settings to configure this microphone. So now let us configure this microphone in control panel. Now go to control panel and click on the sound. Here you can see the sound, configure your audio devices. So now here go to recording tab, and here you can see number of connected devices. Here I have connected two microphones, that is one my headphone microphone, and another one is a USB condenser microphone. Here you can choose either one of this as a default device. Now I have connected USB condenser microphone as a default device, so it's showing as a default device here. Okay, now click on this USB condenser microphone and click on the properties button, and now you can see that number of options are available here. You can change the icon of this microphone or listen in this listen tab. You can check this option to playback or to hear your voice that is picked up by your microphone currently. I have tested this, it's also working fine. Now I'm going to disable this device, listen to this device option. Now go to levels. Here you can control the microphone pickup volume. Initially it is will be in a full that is about 100. You can adjust either according to your room settings, etc. And this is nothing but it's showing about sample rate and bit depth. So we no need to worry about this, and click on OK and OK. That's it. We have configured our microphone. Now we can test the before and after audio. I'm using my headphone audio to record this audio, so to see a voice difference or a audio difference between this condenser microphone and my headset, that is a HP headset, which is a Realtek high definition microphone. This is Karthik from Linux Media. If you are new to my channel, make sure you have subscribed and ring the bell. I'm recording this audio in the condenser microphone, which is Maono Au-A04, and this is Karthik from Linux Media. If you are new to this channel, make sure you have subscribed and ring the bell. Now you have noticed this voice difference between these two microphones.